Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to draw and color Pocoyo giving Loula a bath. Let's start drawing. First I draw Pocoyo starting with his eyes. Then I draw his nose and his mouth. On his head, I draw his hat like this. Draw his body. I draw his hands. His hand is holding something. This is a brush. Then I draw his two legs. Right here, I draw a bath. In the bath, I draw Loula. I draw Loula's face and his ears, and a toy duck in a bath. Draw the cute eyes and his nose. Finally, I draw soap bubbles. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I color Pocoyo's hat sky blue. And color his suit sky blue too. Red, yellow. I use cream to paint his skin. Then I use orange to paint Loula. Brown for his two ears. I color a duck yellow and orange. Then I use green to paint a bath. Dark blue. And pink. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.